Hi guys, my name is Georgia. So very recently I've started using this incredible Eve Lom Cleanser. Weirdly enough, my mum actually used to use this, like when I was a teenager. And I remember seeing this with the muslin cloth which comes with it, and this would always be streaked with these nasty mascara marks. And I never really knew why. Fast forward, here I am using the product. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna take about an almond size amount. This is what I do. So I put a little bit here, a little bit here, here. I've got some left over. Okay, first of all, I've got dry hands, dry face. So what you start to do is massage it in. I have a full face of makeup right now. So this, first of all, smells incredible. Incredible. It smells like cloves, which is one of the ingredients in here, with eucalyptus, which are purifying and help with decongesting. And then it also has hops and chamomile, which is going to soothe the skin. So you could spend all day just massaging your face if you have all day. You are the boss of your own life. You do you. Okay, so next step. This is when the magic happens. So we're gonna get the muslin cloth. You're gonna put it in some hot water, and then you're gonna bring it up. Watch this. The makeup is going to melt away. So right here, I'm gonna rub it around. Okay, other side. Ooh, it's a lot. Look at all of this coming off. Up here. Did I mention that it smells so good? I think I did. Okay. So that is kind of it. That's all you have to do. All the makeup is off. And I will tell you that my skin feels so clean, so hydrated, and super soft. And look at this. I guess my mum was right all along. Thanks, Mum. Love you.